It was very, very strong winds, and and started pouring of rain as well. I am trying to go to Lochan, Uaine, but I cannot find any clear directions to get there. Almost all the snow is gone. Good morning, everyone. I did not get much sleep last night because it was insanely windy outside. Like, the whole van was rocking for the whole night and it was so loud. So yeah, it kept me awake, and it does seem to have died down a bit now. Earlier it was still very, very windy. I'm hoping that it's dropped away. I was planning on hiking today, but I'm not sure that's such a great idea with this wind. So I'm just about to make myself some soup for breakfast, and then I'm gonna see how it is. I need to go outside and see if it's still windy, and yes, I'll let you know what I'm going to do. So I'm just heating up this tomato and basil soup that I got in Morrison's. And I got some bread. Soup is done. I'm going to eat this and then see what I'm going to do. I don't know if you can hear the wind right now. My fan is very dirty, ignore that. The wind sounds very loud. So I have finally decided to leave the van at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, because the wind seems to have died down. Before it was very, very strong winds, and and started pouring of rain as well, and sleeting. So I stayed inside the van to stay warm, and now everything seems to have calmed down. So I am going to go to Costa because I want to get a coffee, and then I need to do some van stuff. I need to fill up the tank for the diesel heater. I need to fill up the water tank. I also want to try and have a shower. Like I said yesterday, there's a shower block down the road, but the women's was closed yesterday, and the latest Park for Night review says that the women's didn't have any hot water, only the men's. So I think I'm going to walk down there and have a look and just see. And if not, then there is another shower block 20-minute drive from here. I need to drive the van a bit anyway because I'm not getting any power from the solar panels because the sky is completely white and there's no sun at all. So the van does need a bit of a drive. So I will probably drive to them showers later on, but for now I am going to go drink a coffee because I am cold and I have a headache, so I think a coffee will help me. I just got a latte and a chocolate twist. So I have just come to Loch Morlich, hoping to see a sunset, which I don't think is going to come because it's very cloudy, but it all looks very nice. So I am in Glenmore Forest Park. This is Loch Morlich. There's lots of trails that go around here. Loch Morlich Trail, 5.8 kilometres. There's the ducks all around me. There's the van. Sadly, there is no overnight parking here. No fires or barbecues. You can take a leaflet. Maybe I should get one of these, see what's around. It's very nice here. I think I should have come a bit earlier in the daylight. Maybe I'll come back tomorrow. I'm actually very worried now because the ski resort that I've booked for tomorrow is closed today because the access road is dangerous, too slippery, and the whole ski resort is closed. And I'm supposed to be going tomorrow, so I am literally praying that it opens tomorrow because I really, really want to snowboard, and I'll be very sad if I can't. And I've booked the lift pass. So yeah, I'm really, really hoping that it opens tomorrow. Otherwise, I'll be very sad. So yeah, I'll see, I guess. So I managed to have a hot shower, which I'm very happy about. The women's was still closed, so I went into the men's. It was empty in there, so I just went into the men's. It was £3, paid by card, and it was really nice and hot. I don't know, people said that it lasted for 7 minutes, but I actually cut it off before that time because I didn't even need it for that long. So yes, had a nice shower, went and filled up the diesel tank, and now I am about to cook some noodles. Just going to cook these. So the noodles are in. And that is my quick and easy van life dinner. So I am just in the van for the night now, gonna go to sleep soon, and I'm going to wake up early and hope that the ski resort is open, because if it's not, I am going to be very, very sad. After tomorrow, I think the snow is supposed to be going away anyway. It's supposed to start raining after tomorrow, so if it's not open tomorrow, I'm sure it's not going to be open any other day. So please cross your fingers for me. Yeah, so I will let you know in the morning if it's open or not. If it's not, then I'm gonna have to see what else I'm gonna do. But yes, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the morning. Good morning, everyone. Today I am very sad because the ski resort is closed. I was supposed to be going to Cairngorms mountain snowboarding. I booked the ski pass a few days ago, but there has been a lot of rain overnight, and there has also been very, very strong winds. So they have closed the whole resort, and I'm very, very sad about it because I was so looking forward to snowboarding, and there's not going to be any more snow now. It looks like that's it. So yeah, there's not really a chance for me to go in the next few days either. So I'm very disappointed. So today I'm just about to go to Aldi to get something to eat because I have nothing for breakfast, and then I think I'm going to do a hike to a loch. I can't remember the name right now, I'll tell you when I go. And then I am going to start driving down a bit because tomorrow I am planning to go to Edinburgh for the day to explore the city a bit. So yes, I'm going to go get some food, and then I'll let you know what I'm doing. Look at all the ducks! So, I am trying to go to Lochan, Uaine, which is the Green Lake. In the summer, it's an amazing bright greeny turquoisey colour. I don't think it will look quite the same in the winter, but hopefully it's still nice. But I cannot find any clear directions to get there. It gave 3 different parking areas, so I've parked in one of them. But I cannot find any directions. There's no signs or anything around here, and I can't find anything on Google that explains how to get there. So I'm just walking, and I'm gonna see. So I'm heading up this path. There is someone walking in front of me, so I'm hoping that maybe I'm going to the right place. It's definitely not as cold today. I think it's 3 degrees. It's been in the minuses for most of the week, so it actually feels nice today. My hands aren't frozen for once. And I've got nice views, even though the snow is melted everywhere. Everywhere still looks very nice. Almost all the snow is gone, except on the path. So I'm still not sure if I'm on the right path, but it looks like I'm heading in the right direction on the map. So hopefully it's right. It's a nice, I'm on flat now. It was up most of the way, but only gradually, so it wasn't too hard, and nice views all around. So the proper path has ended and I'm heading onto a trail, so hopefully this is heading to the loch. If not, then no idea where I'm going. So the map shows that I'm getting closer. I'm hoping that I'm not going up above it, because I'm getting higher and higher. And I thought it was supposed to be quite a flat trail, I thought I read, but I've been going up and up, so let's see. So it's going down quite steeply now, and I'm guessing the lake is just ahead somewhere. So I've just reached the lake and I realised this was the path I was supposed to have taken. Just a flat, easy path. But I took the adventurous route. So that was nice. But I think I'm going to take the easy path on the way back. But the lake is frozen. I was hoping it wouldn't be frozen, but it still looks nice frozen. In the summer this looks such a nice colour. I have to come back at some point in the summer. There's lots of places here that I'd really like to see in the nice weather. So yes, another frozen lake. Very cool though. I want to walk on the ice, but I don't think that's a very good idea. Well, this path is a lot easier than the one that I took. This looks like it's just a flat path. So hopefully it leads me back to... I parked near the Glenmore Visitor Centre and the reindeer place. I really want to see the reindeers, but it was quite expensive to go and see them, so I didn't do that. But yes, hopefully this leads me back there. I need to get a coffee and warm up a bit. So I've just found this sign. This was the car park that I was looking for, and I couldn't find that car park anywhere. There was a closed road, so I'm thinking it was probably beyond the closed road, but the visitor centre is where I have parked. So I am continuing this way. So here is Glenmore Lodge. It's just up there. It's a national outdoor training centre. I can see the people up there. People were training to like climb. They have like set up kind of rock climbing wall things. People were climbing on there. There was all groups up there like learning mountaineering and stuff. Looks quite interesting. Now I'm just trying to find my way back to the van. Well, I'm trying to find my way to the visitor centre to get a coffee. Hopefully it's still open, because it's... I'm not sure what time it is. After 3, I think. 3:30 maybe? Hopefully I'm almost back. So I made it back to the van. Just went in Glenmore Visitor Centre Cafe, got a latte and a caramel shortbread. Now I am going to drive down towards Edinburgh. I don't think I'm going to get to Edinburgh today. I think it's over 2 hours. But yes, I'm planning going into Edinburgh tomorrow. So I'm going to head down there and see. So I'll pick you up when I stop, see what I'm going to do and everything. But yeah, that was a nice hike. I think it would have been a lot nicer in the summer, obviously, so you could see the actual green colour of the lake. But it was still very nice, and I took the scenic route, which took about an hour and a half rather than like 30 minutes. But yeah, that was good. So I have arrived somewhere. I'm not sure exactly where I am, I can't remember, but I'm about an hour outside of Edinburgh. I've stopped for the night now, and I am just making a curry, a chickpea curry, for my dinner. And then I'm going to go to sleep and wake up early in the morning and go into Edinburgh. Just making the curry. Got everything ready. So, looks alright. A bit watery. Smells good. So my curry is done. Hopefully it tastes alright. And dinner is served. So I've had my dinner. It was actually nice. Not bad. Now I'm just going to chill for the night, go to sleep, and then I'm waking up early and I'm driving 1 hour to Edinburgh to have an explore. I'm not much of a city person, but I have always wanted to go to Edinburgh. I think it does look like a very nice city. So I'm going to have a look around. The weather's supposed to be alright, so yeah, I will see you in the morning. I'm not sure if I'm going to end this vlog here or not. I need to see when I'm editing, but if I do, then thank you so much for watching. Please give me a like if you enjoyed it, and if you're not subscribed and would like to see some more from me, then please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Yeah, anyway, thank you for watching and good night. I'm about to drive into Edinburgh. Good morning everyone from the Lake District. Such a nice view. I can't believe I've never been here before.